All right, so you actually did it. You sat through the loading bars, you didn't crash your computer, and you've successfully installed the Android ISO. Pat yourself on the back, but don't get too comfortable just yet. You're looking at this orange screen right now, thinking you're finished. You're not. If you just click through this blindly, your VM is going to be slow, laggy, and probably won't even connect to the internet. Let's finish this the right way. First, click that bright blue Start button. Here we go. Now, it's going to look for a Wi-Fi connection. Since we're in a virtual machine, real Wi-Fi doesn't exist. It should see a virtual Wi-Fi or Virtio connection. If it just spins forever, just hit skip at the bottom left. Don't worry, your computer's internet will pass through to the VM once we're actually inside the OS. Now you're going to see this screen, Copy Apps and Data. It wants to know if you want to transfer your photos and contacts from your physical phone to this virtual machine. Unless you're planning on taking your laptop to the park to snap selfies with a virtual camera, you really don't need this. Next up, the Google account sign-in. Now, listen to me carefully. Skip this. No, seriously. Sometimes the keyboard drivers haven't loaded correctly yet, and trying to type your password while your mouse is lagging is a recipe for a headache. We'll sign into the Play Store later, once we know this thing actually works. Then we hit the date and time screen. Usually, it pulls the correct time from your host PC automatically. Just double check that your time zone is correct. Mine's set to Kolkata right now. And hit Next. Easy enough, right? Now for Google services, because Google loves to know where you are, even when you're in a virtual world. Turn off Use Location and Send Usage Data. In a VM, these are just background tasks eating up your RAM, and we want every bit of speed we can get. When it asks for a PIN or screen lock, select Not Now, unless you really want to type a password every single time you test an app. Yeah, I didn't think so. Finally, the home screen choice. You'll usually see Quickstep or Taskbar. If you want it to feel like a tablet, go Quickstep. If you want that Windows-style desktop feel, select Taskbar and hit Always. And boom! You are officially running Android on your PC. Smooth, right? Well, hopefully. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to fix the resolution so it doesn't look like a blurry mess from 2005. If this helped you get past the setup screen, smash that like button. It actually helps the channel more than you think. Seriously, it does. I'll see you in the next one.